Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will show you how to remove age registration on X. And for this we have two ways how we can fix this, because we want to remove it to see every single tweet and that our age is not a problem by seeing other tweets. Alright, first way, stepping on your profile pic, go to profile, tap on edit profile, and then from here tap on your birthday. Tap on continue. And then from here, tap on remove birthday and then do yes, remove. Then tap on save and now our birthday is removed. And now when you want to see restricted content and it's not possible to see that, we have another way to fix this. Alright, for that go to Safari and make sure that you're logged in to your Twitter on Safari. Then when we just are here, tap on your profile pic, scroll down to settings and privacy, then go to privacy and safety, then go to content UC, and from here you will see the option display media that may contain sensitive content and make sure that you turn that on. Alright, these are the two ways how you can fix this, and if this helps you out, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.